Wait.
The left pedal is your clutch. What you do is you push it in, you put it in reverse. Mind the what?
Look.
Still run it.
Shaking your head, look. Watch it.
Whoa! Yeah, go on.
Oh, look.
How short is she in there? Can we not feel that either? That's what we were going to do 10 minutes ago. Whoa!
Whoa, wait, Rio. Rio. What was that, Mark?
You didn't say she was going to drive it in. How much money is falling cost? What is the choke post there? Right head in the middle.
Can you reverse that? No, I can't reverse. That's more than most racing car drivers can do.
Good one, give her.
Oh, no, no, no.
Not without complaining anyway.
I'm alright now.
Come on.
Oh, I've never said that before. A helmet driving the car.
I have.
And George's not defending to her either.
Do you need your windows done up?
No, don't worry about it.
It don't mean because that's part I'm leveling it off.
This does run on Carlsberg, doesn't it? No, let's use Stella. We are racing.
Carlsberg? Yeah.
If the Carlsberg special brew running cars.
Do you need your windows done up? Holy surprise.
No, I know you don't. See, he starts.
Yeah. He's still trying.